Welcome back to my channel. I have another Walmart haul for you guys. To get started, I don't know if this will fit in frame, but it's just like a cylinder and it's for wherever you want to put it. It can hold like a crap ton of pins. It was 98 cents. I got it in purple. They had white and like a teal and a gray. But I wanted this for my bathroom, so that's what I grabbed it for. Get this out of the way real quick. Buy stuff. I picked up a VO5 Strawberries and Cream shampoo and conditioner. It literally was like on the first end cap that I seen, and strawberry was the first one I seen. I just grabbed it. I just needed some shampoo and conditioner, and that was 88 cents. Honestly, that shampoo does work good. I just was kind of in a rush yesterday, so I just grabbed the first thing I saw, and that is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. I did pick up another one of these Sept2019 vanilla razors. Supposedly they have sugar inside them. I don't know about the exfoliating aspect of it, but the scent of these is amazing, and I get such a close shave with these razors, and normally I would not pay $6 for a razor, but that's how much I love these, because I'm a cheapskate and I usually just get them at Dollar Tree. But seriously, these are the bomb. Like, I love how close my shave is. My legs feel so soft. I definitely recommend trying out these Sept2019 vanilla sugar razors. And like I said, y'all know already, I'm a cheapskate, so it's a wonder that I would even repurchase those razors for $6. I found some clearance stuff. I found some bath bombs that were on clearance. So I got this giant gnome, and they were 50 cents, and I remember seeing these and they were like $3 or so a piece, I believe. These are going back for Christmas. And I got the fairy bath bombs. These have like glitter in them. My child loves bath bombs, so this will be a good like kind of stocking stuffer kind of thing. And then I got the mermaid bath bomb. I also found other stuff on clearance, like jewelry. Got a bunch of jewelry. I only picked one necklace though, because I just really liked this necklace. $2. I saw everybody hauling dollar jewelry. I didn't find any dollar jewelry, just $2. But look how beautiful these flowers are. It's such a statement piece, and I like to wear like V-neck or scoop neck tees, and sometimes I pair them with leggings and statement necklaces. So yeah, I am excited for that necklace. The next thing I have is a shirt to share with you guys. Time and True. It's kind of like a plaid flannel-y kind of design there. They had a bunch of different colors to choose from. It's actually a thin material, which I like over like the flannel. It's a V-neck. It's kind of cinched in a little bit. Give you some details where you see the picture. And it's really flowy kind of top. I love it. You can do this with the sleeves, button them up like that, make them half length, quarter length, whatever you want. You can also wear it like this down, all the way down. I'm probably personally going to wear it up, buttoned up. It was $15.44, and a very nice fall piece. I'm in love with this, and they had a black and white one, and I was totally like, I love it, but I couldn't get Beetlejuice out of my head, because Adam in Beetlejuice and Beetlejuice himself actually wear that kind of like plaid buffalo pattern thing, and I just skipped over that one. So I got the one with the teal and the pink in it. See that? So yeah, I'm just gonna insert the picture. That shirt was a splurge, you guys, but I'm absolutely in love with it, and sometimes it's nice to get some special things. Normally I would shop at like yard sales and stuff like that, and every now and then I get a nice piece and pay full price for it. I love it. Candles and waxes before we get into the beauty, because this is like a legit beauty haul. Like, I haven't got this much, or spent this much, I should say spent this much in makeup in a while. So let's get the candles and stuff out of the way. So I picked up a mulled cider. These are like the dollar candles, but this is my favorite fall scent. This and the hazelnut cream is like all-time favorite, and I'll burn mulled cider all year round if I can find it. I love this candle. It's so strong and potent. And then I got apple cider donut. It's a bakery scent, and it's a lighter scent, but it does smell really good. Okay, waxes. I got a Better Homes and Garden limited edition lemon pumpkin shortbread. This smells amazing. I love lemons for my kitchen, and last year I actually got a lemon pumpkin candle, and I still have not burnt that candle, so I thought that would be very fitting to pair together. I also did pick up the sugar pumpkin cronuts. I don't know, I probably just butchered that. Anyways, all these are a limited edition. This is a bakery scent, pumpkin bakery scent, and I also got the limited edition weekend camping trip. Oh, that one was from Sensationals, and this is Better Homes and Garden. This is a woodsy scent, and I used to go camping all the time. I never smelled anything like this in the wilderness, I will say, but I just loved it, and it just made me think of my childhood and teenage years, and I don't know, I just needed it. We'll move on to our beauty items now. Nail stuff first. I did pick up a Onyx 100% acetone. I always pick this up. You guys have seen it probably 100 times or more in my videos. More nail stuff. I got the Nail-Aid Biotin Ultimate Strength, and it says it fortifies soft torn nails, extra strong nails in 3 days, Mega Shine anti-chip formula. Not sure about any of that jazz, but I need a fortifier for my nails, and this is the only one I found. If you want to know more about nail strengthener stuff, you definitely check out some of my nail videos. And another nail item I did pick up is the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. I love this product. I have one more application, maybe half of an application left in my other bottle. So I went ahead and picked this up. It was $6. This was like $3.88, I believe. $6, but I needed some nail stuff, you guys. Okay. I found some clearance stuff. Yes, there was more clearance in this, but this is the only two things I actually picked up. But if you guys can believe this, I found L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascaras for 75 cents. Okay, the only catch is, like you can see, like they are gold glitters. These are glitter mascaras. 75 cents. So I thought I would keep one for myself and put one in the giveaway. We're going to have a giveaway. I've been collecting stuff for a while now, so I'm going to put one of these in the giveaway, because I appreciate you guys sticking with me, watching my videos, commenting on all my content. You're all super nice and loving towards me, and I just adore it, and I love making content for you guys, so I want to get, you know, like pay it forward, you know. So, the next item was an Emily Noel recommendation, and I actually needed something new for my brows anyways, so I did pick up the Maybelline brow pomade. This is from the Tattoo Studio, and because mine and her hair are very similar, I took her recommendation for shade as well, so I got Ash Brown. I feel like this is the most I've spent on a brow product though. It was $10. She loves it, and I love Emily Noel as well. So I have took many of her recommendations and love them. I hope it works for me, because $10 was a splurge. And they must have just stocked at Walmart. And remember in the other Dollar General video I said they must be making, or let's hope they're making room for new HardCandy products? Well, I think that might have been true, because I picked up some new HardCandy stuff that I am so excited for. These are $10 each. I picked up, let me see if it has a name. The palette is called Smoke Out, and it's THC and CBD free. How funny is that? And that they had to put that on there because the palette has hemple in it. This is an all greenish brown palette. It definitely screams the look and feel of, yes, we won't say it out loud. It has two glitters in there. I'm excited for this palette. And it has some like marbly shade right here as well. It's got like a green with some brown mixed in. but this is actually a very beautiful palette, and I love greens, so yeah, how cool. And I think this is supposed to mimic that leafy palette, the other smoke palette. Next up, I found another one, and it's called Blissful Nudes. This totally reminds me, and I think it might be a dupe for the Huda Beauty nude palette, possibly. Look at that. It has 4 marble shades. Like, that palette has 2 glitters. Oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to play with this one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Profusion had brand new palettes as well. I could not help myself, but today I splurged. Okay, so they had new Profusion palettes. I do not know how to get this in camera without the glare, so sorry. But Mirage palette. Now this looks to be 3 glitters in there, and a lot of it's a warm palette. This is a warm palette. This was $13. You get 35 eyeshadows in here. These are great quality, by the way. Profusion is. They've really stepped up their game, and this just screamed fall to me. I can't wait to dive in. I was excited for that. Just screamed fall. And I realized that these are kind of similar, but I felt like some of you probably will get this one over Mirage, or Mirage over this one. And I don't know about it being an exact dupe, but I'm interested in, you know, comparing it to other pictures and things I've seen. And I believe it is possibly going to be a dupe for that Huda Beauty nudes palette. Which, every time I see it in videos, I'm like, I want that. But I'm not paying no such prices for that. Okay. Next up, I got Sunkissed. And this is more of like a summery kind of palette. Spring. It has more cool tones in it than the Mirage palette. It's so beautiful. 35 shades for it. Now this one was right at $13. Absolutely stunning. It has 3 glitters in there as well, and you better believe we're still going to be doing looks with this regardless of what season we're going into, and I think we could still come up with a lot of fun fall looks using this and everyday looks. And I just cannot skip out on finding or purchasing new Profusion, except for like when they have like the $5 palettes and stuff. I usually don't pick those up, but these huge palettes like this are great quality, and I definitely recommend them. You get so many shades, and they're usually all very pigmented. They're easy to work with. They blend out very nicely. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the Walmart beauty haul. I hadn't done a big beauty haul like this in a while, I feel like. So yes, I'm excited to get started making and creating new looks for you guys. Thank you always for watching, and stay tuned for more Walmart hauls. Check the description box for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching.